Hi guys, today I want to quickly go over my complete motovlogging setup. So the first thing is the helmet. So my helmet has a custom 3D printed chin mount for the action cam. That's for the Insta360 Pro. And it has an Insta360 magnetic attachment that's adjustable so that I can tilt it back and forth. So that's that. And then I have this carry case. I'll show you how that works. I have three. I've bought the bundle pack, so it came with like 2 additional batteries. So I've got 3 batteries. These give me roughly about 3 to 3.5 hours of recording time. I've got the triple battery charger. So it's by Amazing. It's not the official brand, but it works. So I can charge 3 batteries at the same time. I mean, you don't actually need that. You can just use your camera to charge it. But if you don't have the charging cradle, then you'll need to charge the batteries one by one. So the next thing is a microSD card. So I use SanDisk Extreme Pro in this case, 512 gigabyte. This one I'm really happy with. For the action cam, I have a Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This is brand new. It's a very good camera. So that's my camera. This is the microphone. This is a wireless transmitter. It's the latest Insta360 Mic Pro. This is a single transmitter with a few attachments. So this one mounts directly inside my helmet. I have a card reader. You may not need a card reader like a microSD reader if you use a desktop computer, but I use a Mac, and unfortunately it just doesn't have all the ports. It only has like 2 USB-C ports on this side and a charge port. So I just connect that to my Mac and then read it like that. And the software, the software that I use, Insta360 Studio, that's all free. And the last bit of kit is the Insta360 tripod. So this is very useful. So this extends to like 1.2 meters, and I've got another attachment. It's by Flymile, and what happens is, like when I'm doing like videos like walking around or things like that, I just attach it there, and then I can walk around, or I can just take it off. I can just take it off from there and just mount it here like that. Yeah, so it's very easy because magnetic. I can do it with one hand. So it goes like that. Just got to find the right slot. That's it. It'll never come off, and then I can tilt it back and forth. Yeah, and how I do, so I got this carry case from online because there was a few too many pieces for me to carry on the motorbike. So the action cam sits in this slot. Batteries go on there. So this battery actually goes inside the camera, and then my microphone can go on there. My SD card can usually go on there, and then I can still put like small few bits and pieces. So I've got, I think this is this for the camera. It's just silicone cover for the camera's lens, and there should be something else in there if I can get it. There's also the clip attachment and the magnet in there, and also there's what it's called. So the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 comes with 2 microphone covers. This is like a normal cover, and there's a waterproof or weatherproof cover. So if you're doing videos and it starts to rain, okay, you just take this off and you install the other one. It's very easy. Yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one.